What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on today's video we have an accessory for the Lenovo Legion Go. Yeah, you heard me right. I picked up a Legion Go from my buddy Greg. So before we even do anything, before we take it out of the house, we have to protect it. So we have a screen protector from Spigen. This is their Glas.tR EZ Fit. Should be relatively simple to install. This is the packaging. A couple specs that they mention is easy installation, is real glass, oleophobic coating, surface hardness, and Spigen case friendly. I didn't know they had a case for the Legion Go, but I'm gonna have to go look into that. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this. I believe you do have to get lens screen cleaning wipes, dust removal sticker, squeegee, a microfiber cloth, and a quick demonstration on, if you do get a little bit of air bubbles, how to squeegee them out with the squeegee right here, and the user manual. Yeah, and you do have to remove the little controllers on the side. So, and you get the screen protector right there. So let's go ahead and grab the Legion Pro Go. Look at that. Bam. Fantastic. And how do you remove these? If there's a button here. Oh, there you go. And boom. All right. I see you. They're easily removable. Then you have the Legion Go there. And then I believe this is just gonna go this way, top, bottom. It's gonna go in there, and then you're gonna put it on there. But before we do that, we're gonna go ahead and wipe this clean. That's just a little bit of moisture that would go away within 24 hours. I think I did a pretty good job. I did get a little bit of dust right there and right here, but nothing too noticeable. I'd rather have a little bit of dust there and have this protected. But overall, very nice, clean install. Those are just moisture spots. They will go away. Give it about 24 hours and they'll disappear. As you can see, they're gone, and it hasn't even been 24 hours. But very, very good. Feels very good in hand. It's going to protect your Legion Go. So, bam, there you have it. Link will be in the description of the video if you want to go ahead and pick this up for yourself. I did pick it up on Amazon. It will be an affiliated link, so by you using that link, you will be supporting the Gadget Beard channel at no extra cost to you. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions regarding this product, leave them down in the comment section below. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.